Downloading your Google data is quick and simple. I'll guide you through the steps. First, open a web browser on any device and go to takeout.google.com. In the top right corner, tap on your profile to ensure you're signed into the correct Google account. You'll see a list of data options. By default, everything might be selected, but you can scroll through and choose what you want to download, such as your calendar, Chrome data, Google Drive, Google Chat, Google Meet, Google Photos, Play Store history, Maps data, search history, YouTube watch history, and more. Once you've selected the data you want, click Next Step. You can choose to transfer the files to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or receive a download link via email. You can also select the file format zip and set a size limit to split large files, e.g. 2 GB or 4 GB. Finally, click Create Export. Depending on the amount of data, the process may take a few hours or even a couple of days. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email with a link to download your files to a computer or external drive. And that's it.